POS मशीनां रेशन दितना वापरपाक गोंयचे फेर शॉपवाले आनी कंज्युमर कोऑपरेटिव्ह सोसायट्यांचो विरोध। सरकारान म्हयन्याक 65,000 शॉपवाल्यांक दिले जाल्यार खंय तांकां POS मशीन चलता। हे 65,000 सगळो खर्च काडून 4 पैसे खंय उरतले। तांच्या मागण्याचे निवेदन ते नागरी पुरवण खात्याचे संचालकाक दिवपाचे आसात, मंत्र्याकय मेळपाचे आसात।
We have taken a decision no POS until our minimum salary, maintenance, transport charges, which is 65,000, is guaranteed by the government. We have taken a resolution that we will accept POS machines, any conditions that the government wants to give, which are reasonable, but subject to one, we need the minimum emoluments salary for every fair price owner, which is 30,000 rupees. We need 15,000 rupees to maintain a clerk and a helper. We want 20,000 rupees towards transport, towards electricity bill, towards maintenance, and all the details that we have written previously and will be again submitting on Monday. All our members today have also signed individual petitions to the Honorable Minister to please come forward and let us settle it across the table.
सद्याक सरकारान थोडी मशीनां दिल्यात, ती खंय सारकी चलनात। चलना म्हूण सांगल्यार खाते लक्षय दिना।
There are, what I heard, according to the minister's statement, there are 52 or 53 machines distributed. But if you go and see physically yourself, you'll see in so many shops not working. And when they phone the director says, I'm sending the technician. The technician comes and says cannot be repaired. Then the director says, start operating your bills. What's going on?
Prudent खातीर शिरीष कुंकळकार।
गिव ए कमर्शियल ब्रेक।